Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on household essentials. Today, we're diving into the world of sparkling clean glassware with a product that's making waves in the market. Introducing the Diversey 990,221 Beer Clean Glass Cleaner, touted as the best granite sink cleaner available. Now, you might be wondering, why is a glass cleaner being hailed as the best for granite sinks? Well, stick around as we uncover the magic behind this product. Let's start with its versatility. This powdered compound isn't just your ordinary glass cleaner. It's specifically formulated to tackle hard water stains, ensuring a spotless finish on even the toughest surfaces like granite sinks. But don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the effectiveness of the Diversey 990,221 Beer Clean Glass Cleaner. From bar owners to homeowners, everyone is singing its praises for leaving glassware and granite sinks sparkling clean. Now, let's talk about ease of use. With simple instructions and a quick cleaning process, incorporating this glass cleaner into your routine is a breeze. Whether you're using a manual or electric 3-sink system, achieving that beer clean finish is easier than ever. What sets this product apart is its ability to deliver not just clean, but beer clean glassware. Say goodbye to watermarks, residue, and odors, and hello to better tasting beverages and higher profits. And there you have it, folks. The Diversey 990,221 Beer Clean Glass Cleaner isn't just a game changer for glassware. It's your ticket to a sparkling granite sink. Say hello to effortless cleaning and goodbye to stubborn stains. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on top-notch products like this one. Until next time, happy cleaning!